final math lesson for this unit is right now. And I think it's going to go well, hopefully. If you are watching this like at this moment and you feel like you want to have like a live chat, we're in a Zoom right now. So 10:15, we're in a Zoom. So feel free to come to that. And then hopefully that's going to help you out a little bit with getting ready, I guess, for like we're doing the final review today. Okay, so couple of things. First of all, I just wanted to show you one thing. So in your textbook, I'd like you to grab your textbook, please, and flip to this page 35. Okay, we did this the other day, which was on balancing of scales. We're just going to do one more problem, which I don't think it's really going to be hopefully that bad, but I just want to show you because you're going to be asked a question similar to this on like the little task that I'm giving you today. Okay. All right, that's fine. So, I'm not using my iPad for this, obviously, so it's kind of annoying. Okay, so this one, number 4. Okay, so are these scales balanced? Okay, well, we have to figure this out. So let's figure out just do the basic facts to figure this out. So 36 plus 27. Okay, figure this out quickly. So that is 13. So 63 minus 50 is 13, right? Okay, so 13 on this side, and then we know 12 on this side. Okay, right on. So our answer is obviously no. What could you do to balance the scales? Okay, so there's going to be a ton of options that you could say for this, right? There isn't just like one answer. So what could you do? Well, there's many things, right? We could add another 1 onto this side, right? That would work. So what could you do? Okay, yeah, you could add 1 onto this side. You could say, rather than saying subtract 50, I'm going to subtract 51 to that side, then you get 12. So you could either do one of those two things. So hopefully that's not too bad. I just want to show you that. You don't even have to write this down if you don't really want to, but you're going to be asked a question that's like this. So I just wanted to go over that quickly. Okay, so today there are 2 tasks for you to do for math. The first one is this. Okay, I'm going to put this actually on Edmodo as like, it's not really like a morning math, but I guess I'll just call it, I'm just going to call it like more, I'm just going to call it this. So preservation of equality, like more practice of it. So these are both old PAT questions, so I want you to practice them. So I'm not really going to go over it too much at this moment, but you'll see how you did like once you finish this. So the following diagram shows a balance scale. The mass of the blocks that are shown on this, on each side of the scale are the same, okay? So it's really like what we've been doing. This is actually kind of an easy one. The mass of one block with label N is what? Okay, so what is the mass of one of these? Okay, use this information. Just fill in the blank. Then this next one is similar to the question that I just showed you in the textbook. Which of the following operations would preserve equality in the equation shown below? So they give you this, and then this is multiple choice. So which one of these options would work? Only choose one of them. There is only one correct answer. Okay, so that's the first thing. I'd like you to do that today. So it's going to be due tomorrow. And then you guys can see how you're doing that like pretty much like right away. I'll kind of keep monitoring it. Then the next thing is this, okay, in the textbook. So okay, so this is a full cumulative review. So you should recognize like all of this. It shouldn't be that bad to do. We'll go over this tomorrow as a review before we launch into doing the full show what you know. Yeah. Okay, so this is all stuff that we've done before. This one you have to make a table. Okay, you have to actually, this is like the hardest one because you have to work backwards into making the table and figuring out the expression. This one, label the coordinate grid. What axes did you choose? And then here, make a, yeah. Okay, so Oh yeah, they want you to graph this one. Okay, so you have to model it first. So you'd like draw 4 little things and you draw like 8 things. So then you have to make a graph. Okay, so you'd have to make up the ordered pairs, right? So this would be like 1, 4. Okay. Then this one is easy. You just use the commutative property. That's so simple. Can't believe it's grade 6. You do not need to do question 7. Okay, that's not part of it. And then question 8 is so easy. Okay, you're gonna see this. It's pretty simple to do. Yeah, apply preservation of equality. So basically you're just solving. It's just, they just want you to know. You don't have to do this part. You don't have to use strips of paper. We're not doing that. But you should have to figure out what B equals to. So B equals what? Okay, I don't even know. This isn't even a question because it is. T equals 3. And then what does S equal in both of these equations? Okay, so that is pages 40 to 41, basically all of the questions. Okay, so it is page 34, I think. Is that where I just was? Yeah, oh no, 40. Jeez, okay. 40. Oh, I have more. Okay, whatever. I'll just duplicate this actually. Okay, 40. Sorry. 40 to 41. Questions 1 to 6 and 8 due tomorrow. Okay, and then also I'm gonna say Edmodo task. Okay, there you go. So that's just a little bit of practice. Yeah, that should be number 1 focus. It should take you a little, I think it'll take you up until like probably 30 minutes to do all of that, which is like the length of somewhat of a normal math class. Okay, so again, if you have questions, we'll be in the Zoom at 10:15. There you go.